Mabuhay, everybody. Monday morning, day 2 of the Ramel and Bachai house build. Willie's here today and laying everything out. You guys will be digging today for the footers. It's be a nice little cottage. Single slope, so all the rain goes down the hill. Whole front porch terrace. Alright guys, I'll get back to you later. We start digging. Mabuhay, everybody. Saturday afternoon on the farm / Ramel's house build. We got some hollow block delivered today, and it is hot. Sun is blazing. They started layout Monday. Well, it's been 5 days since I did a video. These hollow blocks look pretty good. Yeah, these are pretty sturdy. Don't fall apart when you squeeze them. Go up here and show you what they've gotten done in a few days. Not many helpers unload that hollow block. I think the guy that made them brought his 2 little kids. They look like they're about 5 and 6. So Ramel and Bachai have been working hard up here. Haven't found anybody that wants to help them out for free. So they've dug out these footers here. Hard digging. This is like all sandstone. I think I did all prepped. This here will be all the living quarters. 2 small bedrooms, small bathroom right here. This will be the dirty kitchen, living room, and then this will be the outside terrace. So we got cement and rebar and other stuff for them to start on Monday. I think Willie's coming. He's just gonna start on this Monday. I don't know if we'll bring in more block today or not. 250 is a good start. We ordered 700 block, which seems like a lot because we're just doing Hardy Flex. But I guess, you know, for the septic tank too. All right, I'm gonna give these guys a hand, so I'll get back to you in a little bit, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. It's a hot one out today. The sun is blazing. I figured I'd show you what else has been going on. We got a full water tank. Full. We got the PSI pump hooked up. And I don't like how they ran this line. I wanted it buried. We ran it down here. And then by the steps here, I'm going to put a nice metal hose over there. I'll show up getting a 20-meter hose, so it should be able to go both ways. Clean everything up. Pigs are doing fine. Hopefully they're all pregnant. Spending all this money on feed and artificial insemination. I think this big girl, I think she's pregnant. She's massive. I think her due date is middle of March. So I got all this hooked up. This will be gravity fed to the water nipples to the fattening pens. Down here and show you. Finally found a T on Lazada for this pipe. I thought this was 3 inches. It's only 2 inch. So 2 inch into 1 inch T. Then we got a shut off valve here. I was worried about the pressure. I didn't know if there'd be enough pressure bringing that water up the hill and for it to go up into the tank, but there is. Filled up in a couple hours. I think I shut that water line off at a certain time of the year for some reason. I'm not sure. But Ramel and Bachai came today, and I said, we got to have a farm cleanup day. I said last night to the wife, I said, it's starting to look like Sanford and Sons around here. And she's like, what's Sanford and Sons? I said, a junkyard. But when you're doing stuff like I'm doing, it's like these guys repurpose everything. So yeah, I kind of let stuff lay because they reuse everything, but I got sick of looking at I said, hey, if you're gonna use these coconuts, get them out of here or I'm gonna burn them. So Romel's been working on this hillside here. This all looking pretty, got all the junk out of there. And it's like you can pick up stuff every day. I mean, when the kids are over here, they just throw stuff on the ground and it blows. Stuff just blows everywhere. There's stuff everywhere. But getting everything cleaned up here. My buddy John visited Tuesday from Batangas, him and his wife, Agnes. They brought me some more lettuce. So I got more lettuce in the garden. I still got some more to plant. It's just so hot. I don't know if you're gonna make it. As soon as you water the ground, it's dry. So you get this all cleaned up here. This is what I had sprayed with the weed killer. So I'm gonna whack it down. Me and the wife cleaned out the garage today. Got it looking nice. Someday we'll have our truck in here. But the chicken brooder was still dirty from the last chicks. So got it all cleaned out, ready for the next batch of chicks. So it's nice to look in here and see it clean. It was a disaster there. Still gotta put my scratch pens away, clean up all my waters. I'm gonna put a shelf in the garage. Just gotta find some decent pieces of wood. Hard to find around here. I'll have to get some in town, some cocoa lumber. But clean the porch off. Got rid of a bunch of hollow block laying around as I get it out of here. There's still junk here. Like my wife borrowed this grill. It's got holes in the bottom of it. It's just garbage. This boy is being bad. You can't learn to pee outside, Vader. Huh? Bad boy? Quit peeing in the house. Thank God we don't have carpet here. Weed whacker's holding up good. Ramel's taking good care of it. Got everything cleaned up over here. Got told the neighbor, I think last time I had a big bonfire, the neighbors were upset because, you know, I wasn't thinking. They use this for fire to cook with. They use it for firewood to cook with. So I told him, hey, you want this wood? Come and get it. I'm at the point now I'm tired of looking at it. Some of it's still good. I might keep some and put a pile of it, stack it somewhere where I don't have to look at it all the time. Bagging up sand, getting ready for construction there at Rommel and Bachai. So got to get the net over my little brooding pen here. We got 20 chicks in there right now. That's it. So a nice cleanup day on the farm. I'm happy. Looks a lot better. Leave you guys with the view of the mountains. All right, guys. Saturday, I'll make a video Monday. Start on Rommel's house. See ya. Later.